guys, and welcome back to another makeup haul. As I mentioned previously in one of my videos, this week, at least in the week when I'm filming, there was a drugstore most expected event for me. We have a local drugstore here on Czech Republic, which is called Rossmann, and they had the annual sale. Just this year was slightly different. So usually they were having all the makeup on 50% discount if you buy more than one product. But this year they did it differently. They did like buy one, get one free, which has good and bad things because there was no limit for the actual bill. So on the previous years there was 5 products limit, so if you are buying more you should split the products on more bills. But this year, doing that, I had also to split in several bills because they were giving you for free the cheapest products. So for example, if you get a $10 product and a $2 product, they will give you for free the one that retails for $2. So you'll have to pay $10 and get the second product for free. So what I did, I was shopping on. I went 2 times. I wasn't not going especially for that. I went for a grocery store and also on the same complex model we have the Rossmann, and I split in more expensive products and more affordable products. So one day I bought more expensive, one day I bought less expensive products. So that was the actual way that I could get more money out, because yeah, your girl is clever, no? Let's face that. I also want to include here, because I only have a couple of products that are not from the drugstore sale, so I'll better start with that. So I placed on Space NK almost 1 month ago. I placed an order because I wanted to get the Hourglass, the limited edition Sculpting mini palette, and I'm planning to do a special review for this palette. Just for the record, when I'm filming this, we are on October 16, so I'm not sure on when this haul will go out because I have many videos planned. So this is the outer packaging. I think it's gorgeous. But stay tuned, and if that video is up, I will link it here because I'm planning to do a review. And then I found this product that I haven't seen anyone talking about. It is by Tilbury. This is Mini Miracle Eye Wand. So this is a dynamic duo, lift and illuminate. And let me show the product. Also, I'm not going to swatch it because I will have a special review and wear test. So first, this is the packaging. I think it's really nice. And here is the step number 1, where you have a eye cream that you are supposed to apply before. And on the step number 2, you'll have the actual concealer that you'll apply on the top of the cream. So this is a eye brightener, the step number 2. Brush the eye brightener on the top of cream and blend. Apply on top of concealer for visibly brighter, younger, wide awake eyes. So we're going to test that and see how it goes, because I was really impressed with the Tilbury concealer that I tried, the samples. I want to see if it is the same formula and how it lasts, and I will do a wear test comparison with and without this cream. Stay tuned for that video. And I have this cute packaging. This I bought it from ASOS. It was on the same order with the ASOS Advent Calendar, and this is by the Disney Princess collection, the Aurora headband and face masks. So they had several masks like this with headbands, but by the time I was placing my order, just this one was remaining on stock, so I was a bit bummed about that. And you have here several eye masks. Oh my god, I didn't know there are so many. I think those are different. Okay, so this is the hydrating mask with watermelon cream. So I like that this is exactly one use. sometimes I find that the one use masks are usually more than one use, so I'm not able to finish it, and then I will leave it open and I will never go back and finish it. Then the second, also this is also watermelon. Oh, okay, so those are similar. So I have 2 watermelon masks, and this is the clay purifying mask. Okay, so you have 2 hydrating and 2 clay purifying mask. So this is raspberry peony clay face mask. And I have a headband that is, of course, the cutest thing from this packaging, from this package. And I'm starting to be sucker for this kind of headbands from the Disney princess, so I think it will be really cool for when I'm doing a makeup tutorial. Or maybe I will give it to my daughter. I know that I haven't placed it correctly, but I'm not intending to wear it. And that's all for the non-drugstore haul. Now I will start with what I actually bought from the Rossmann in no particular order. So this year I went for the Max Factor because I almost never gravitate toward the Max Factor brand, and there is a reason why I'm not doing that, and this is because this is one of the most expensive brands out there on the drugstore. So usually when I'm willing to pay more money, I go toward high-end. So this is one of the reasons. A second is that they still have some of the older products that are infused with parabens. So you know me that I'm all about not putting parabens on my face, and yeah, there is that. But what I've bought, I was checking, and they do not have parabens. So first I bought this Creme Puff pressed powder, which is their really well-known powder. I have it on the shade medium beige. I'm not going to open it because I do not intend to keep it for me. Also, I bought a lipstick. It's their Lipfinity lip color, which is coming in a liquid lipstick and a clear gloss. And I will search for the swatches that I done last year. I'm not sure if I did swatches because I have a friend here who is really a fan of this product, so I bought it for her. Then also from Max Factor, I've got their new foundation. I think it's one of the new. It is the Miracle Second Skin Hybrid Foundation, which claims to hydrate, protect, renew, and is it infused with coconut milk and probiotic complex, also with SPF 20. So this is the whole picture, and I do not have my ring light open because that one tends to reflect on the products, but I have a soft box on the back that provides some light and reflects on the packaging as well. So I have the shade Fair Light and the shade Light Medium. So they are shade number 2. Ooh, I think I was intending to buy the shade number 3 and number 4, but I just made a mistake. Couple more products also from Max Factor. This is the Miracle Sculpting Wand in the shade Light Medium. So really excited about that, especially because I got it on sales. I bought this concealer also by Max Factor, so everything I'm showing you till now is by Max Factor. So this is the All Day Concealer, and this is mostly like a serum concealer, so you twist it and dispense the product. Really lovely product. I love it. It's really hydrating. It almost sinks into your skin, so you can use it. You can wear it on the days when you don't want too much coverage, or you can put something on the top if you desire more coverage. But I wear it alone, just with some powder on the top, and I love it. It's a nice product. So there is that. And then I went for one of their mascaras because I remember how much I've enjoyed in my early 20 the Max Factor Mascara. So this is the Lash Revival Fuller Stronger Mascara. I will not open it just because I have so many expensive mascaras open, and this one I really want to enjoy, but when I will open it, for sure it will be on camera with you guys. And that's all for Max Factor. Then I grabbed the last two setting powders by Catrice, the Nude Illusion. I wanted to get one, but they are anyway so affordable, and when I saw they are the last one, I just had that moment and I want to grab everything, and I bought the both of them. Yeah. And I have seen this lipstick that I'm wearing today. This is by L'Oreal, and this is the matte lip crayon. And when I've seen it, I immediately think about another product. So this is on the shade. I'm not able to find the shade. I'm not sure if this is the shade here, but it doesn't make any sense, this number. Okay, so maybe it's the shade 3. I have no idea. Anyway, I will swatch it a bit. I think this red is perfect, and the reason I grabbed for this red is because the other shades were swatching in a way that reminds me of this one that I have from Maybelline. So they were even either too nude or... So this is by Maybelline. And I do believe those are really similar products. Just they are shaped different. So look at the packaging. The Maybelline one are slightly cheaper than the L'Oreal, but I think there is the same product inside. And then I stocked up my Catrice stash with the appropriate shade for me. So for the HD liquid coverage foundation, I grabbed the shade light beige, which is 010. Haven't opened it yet. And also I got the true color for me for the winter from the new True Skin foundation with hyaluronic acid that I reviewed, and it's up on my channel from 1 month. And this I got it also in 010 shade. And one more foundation that I got. Actually I grabbed it because I saw that it's new and I did not have any expectation. This is by Essence, and this is the Pretty Natural Hydrating Foundation on the shade 030 that claims to last 24 hours and is infused with hyaluron and aloe vera. So I never heard about the foundation that has aloe vera to it, so I was really interested to see how it performs. Oh my god, guys, I had to do the wear test and the review because this foundation has blown my mind, and this retails for approximately €5. Got it on sales. It's fantastic. I will not tell you more because I want you to see the wear test and video. I also heard that Essence and Catrice have a tubing mascara, and I'm all about that. So I grabbed the Essence Bye Bye Panda Eyes, which is a smudge-proof, volumizing and defined mascara. So I'm not sure if this is the tubing one. The brush, it's quite okay, it's nothing fancy. But I'm really not sure. I will post here on the screen if this is the one that I heard someone mention that is the tubing one. And also, guys, if you didn't know, Catrice and Essence are owned by the same company, so they are like sister companies. Speaking about Essence, I got the eyeliner pen, extra long lasting, so it doesn't have any other informations. Okay, so it's a felt tip, is not the brush, but it seems to be really black. And the last product that I got is by NYX, and is the Proof It waterproof eyeshadow primer. This one I also tested. It doesn't have any color, it's transparent. Love it. I think it's fantastic. I finally found a affordable eyeshadow primer, which I'm all about because I do not like to spend too much. And my Smashbox one that I love, it's like 25 bucks or so. But that's all for today. I'm considering to go and switch this shade to get the shade number 3. Now I realized that I got the wrong shade. If I will go to exchange it, then for sure I will grab some more makeup. Hi guys, this is me, Julia, from the future that has some updates. As I mentioned, I went to exchange my Max Factor foundation that I thought is too light for me, and of course they had already sold out my shade and I was not able to exchange it, but I came back home with other 2 products. So what I got, because I was eyeing this palette on the first day, and then when I went to purchase more products, they were already, it was sold out. So I purchased this NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, and this is the Ultimate Utopia, and I thought it's nice. I already use it, and of course this was coming for free. And I also wanted from a long time to try the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer. So I have mine on the shade Ivory 322, so the shades might be different on US. This has a giant doe foot applicator, so oh my god, I think it's even bigger than the e.l.f. one, the Camo Concealer. Okay, I'll swatch it on this side because I have other swatches from a previous video that I just filmed. So this is how it looks like. Now I've tried a couple of times and I thought it's a bit drying and it's creasing on me, but I still need to play more with it. So this is all I wanted to show you, and now let's get back to the actual video. But yeah, this is all for today. So this is my Rossmann sales drugstore for 2020. I really enjoyed what I got, and I'm really happy that I could grab some more Max Factor products because it's a really good brand, and I'm really excited that I could get more products from them. And also I'm excited that they are starting to come with more products, because for the past years I think they were like not boring but conservative, let's say like this. And I used to wear a lot of Max Factor products. I was wearing their lipsticks. This was one of my favorite. Foundation I had powder, I had many products from Max Factor. So yeah, really excited to try that. But yeah, that is all for today. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch, and if you enjoyed this kind of video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I have more hauls to come, and also makeup tutorials, reviews, unboxing and stuff like this on my channel. They are all the time. And other than that, I hope you will come and say hi on my social. That is always linked down below. And if there is someone who can benefit from watching this video, please share that with them because it will help them to discover new products and will also help me to be more pushed up on this platform. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch. Have a great, blessed day, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. Bye guys! Okay.